Hey guys, it's Lindsay and I'm going to show you what it takes to make moon dough. First of all, I am using regular old conditioner. You do a half a cup of regular old conditioner and then 1 cup of cornstarch. I've already mixed in some of the cornstarch. I did it little bit by little bit, and you're gonna think it's too dry. Don't make the mistake I did. Don't add in more conditioner. Really, if anything, you're gonna need to add a little more cornstarch, maybe a little more than a cup of cornstarch with a half a cup of conditioner. You don't want the moon dough to be sticky, and you're gonna know if it's too sticky if it sticks to your hands when you let it go. Now you can see I'm adding a little bit of food coloring just to give it some color. You can make it any color you want to. As you can see, the more you mix it, the more it should be like a putty consistency. Not super sticky, but then again, not slimy at all either. There you have it, guys. Easy peasy moon dough. Thanks for watching.